Hello, my name is Ryan Michels with United Grinding North America. Today we are going to look at how you can optimize OD and ID grinding for unconventional workpieces with the STUDER S33. There are so many benefits with a STUDER machine to consider. From the Granitan machine base and fast changeovers with quick change tooling, the award-winning STUDER technology software that practically programs itself using an algorithm of STUDER's last 100 years of grinding experience, combining OD, face, shoulder, and ID grinding all in one clamping, rough and finish grinding, thread grinding, form grinding, as well as grinding two different materials in one setup. The S33 is one of our most popular machines, and for good reason. It is by far one of the most flexible platforms in the industry, allowing you to do the following: finish parts in one cycle, eliminate potential damage from moving part from machine to machine, also less chance of loading the part incorrectly after checking geometries. Grind diameters and shoulders simultaneously. Grind multiple bores with the proper RPM ID spindles to increase efficiency and lower cycle time. Parts can be more profitable, returning a faster ROI. Frees up other equipment since there are no subsequent operations. Free up operators to run multiple machines. Grinding the OD and ID in one clamping means perfect concentricity. That is a lot to take in, but consider this. A multi-spindle machine may be a larger upfront investment compared to a single machine, single spindle mentality. However, time and time again, companies see the benefits realized with better throughput, faster turnaround times, increased part quality, increased flexibility, floor space optimization, lower cost of ownership, cost per part, and faster ROI. In addition, several automation options can be added, such as flipping the part to access both sides, as well as secondary operations outside of the machine. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or like to learn more, find us at grinding.com.